I always have little bits and pieces of fabric that I save for this type of a project. This is actually an old tea towel that had a hole in it. I'm going to rip it into some strips and I'm going to show you how quick you can create the most adorable little bow in a couple steps. You're just going to cut a strip of fabric. The width and the length doesn't matter. That will depend on how big you want your bow. You're going to wrap it around your two fingers and then pull that piece into the back. Once you have it pulled through the back, you're going to bring it to the front and tuck it through that fold that you just made. Bring that piece up through that fold and then tie your ribbon tight. And you have already created a little bow. You're going to tighten it up and kind of just fool around with the bow a little bit until it looks really nice. And then you're just going to slide it off your fingers. And how adorable is this little bow that we created from a scrap piece of fabric? You can cut the ends to finish it off and you're ready to attach it to whatever you would like to. Now I'm going to show you with another piece of fabric. I've cut some more strips and you can also press these with an iron also. It makes them lay nicer when you put them together. Wrap it around your two fingers. Take that top piece and push it between your two fingers. Bring that up through the back. And then tuck it through that little pocket that we made. And then pull it through and tighten it up. Now this fabric was an actual pair of Christmas pajama bottoms that had ripped and weren't any good anymore. I washed them up, cut them into strips, and I have been using this ribbon on so many Christmas DIYs. Same process as the first two, and it's so quick and easy to make beautiful little bows. And you can also cut the tassels off the bottom if you just want to have the bow part at the top. I like to fold them all together, cut a little embellishment in the bottom. Simple, easy bow. This is some scrap cotton that I had that I coffee stained. Made it look really nice and antique. Pulling that through the back, bringing it up through the front, tucking it through that little pocket, and then pull it tight. And you have an antique vintage looking ribbon that is perfect for your DIY projects. So I hope today's video was helpful. Grab some scrap fabric or some ribbon that you have in your craft room, watch this video, and then do it step by step with me, and in no time you'll be making cute little bows. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you love this video, I'm sure you'll love either of these next two.